About shading, you could be inside of one paragraph to apply shading only on that, or select multiple paragraphs and then apply the color. And note that no color does not mean white. If I apply white, nothing gonna be visible. But note that if I go to Design tab, Page Color and set something else, as you see, it is white and is not transparent. So note that always, if you don't want to have any background color, set on no color. And of course, we could go more colors and choose any colors based on standard themes palette or custom color modes. To access more features, you have to click on Borders. Go to very bottom, Borders and Shadings, or search on Microsoft Search, or you could go to Design and get Page Borders, third tab Shading, and here again we have Color, but we have additional options here. Patterns. Which style? By default it is clear. You could set amount of opacity, or you could choose hatched styles like diagonal and the color of that, let's say yellow. And here apply to paragraph or text. By default it is paragraph. Even if your cursor is inside a paragraph or part of that selected, it will apply to whole paragraph. Let me press OK to see the result. But if I select some text, instead of applying to the whole paragraph, let me go back to home. I could go to the borders, border and shading, third tab shading. Let me assign a pattern, something like that. And color, maybe this time red. It's automatically set by text because I selected part of text. But if I set on paragraph, it will apply to whole paragraphs. I selected part of text. Now I just want to apply text and OK. How can I bring back? Of course, we could use clear formatting or just click on shading and no color.